There we go. You guys saw my video of back in April when they were actually going off for a real tornado. Shit they got to say.
This has been a test.
This has been a test of the emergency warning system. This was only a test. Alright, that's what they were saying. So, alright. Over and out.